Hi there! Today I'm going to be making these cute flip-flop cookies. First I'm going to outline the cookies with about a 15-second royal icing consistency. Then I'm going to fill them in with the same consistency icing. It might be a little bit thick, but we can work with this. Use a Scribe or a toothpick to pop any air bubbles. Taking white royal icing in a 15-second consistency, pipe white dots into the blue icing. This is called a wet-on-wet technique, and it will dry smooth as one surface. Using green icing in a 15-second consistency, I'm going to outline the toe thong part of the flip-flop. I'm going to put a squiggle of icing in the middle to help prevent cratering and also to give it some lift. Then I'm going to fill it in with the green icing. Then let it dry for a couple of hours. Using royal icing transfer flowers that I made earlier, I'm going to put a dab of royal icing on the back and attach it to the flip-flop. If you make these cookies, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.